Welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to deal with these topics little quickly but in detailed approach. My name is Gunjan Subedi and as always I'll be guiding you in this topic with practical explanation and examples when necessary. Before starting, let me kindly remind you to subscribe to my Lean University, which is my initiative to deliver free and quality professional education to your screen.
If you had watched the preview of this course, you may have already learned that Lean is a win-win situation for all the parties, including the manufacturing industry, stakeholders, customers, and employees. The manufacturing industry benefits from the Lean because Lean manufacturing helps to eradicate the waste and defects or minimize them and deliver the value in the products or services to the customers, and ultimately it increases the profits of the company. Stakeholders. As the industry gets profitable, it helps the stakeholders to reap up the maximum benefits and profits from the company. Similarly, the customers benefit from Lean because they get the products or services in the right time, right quantity, and right cost as they desire. Similarly, employees benefit from Lean because Lean helps to eradicate the unnecessary steps and reduce the work overburden by simplifying the process. The simplification of the process and lack of work overburden helps the employee to spend time in the value-adding processes. Can Lean help to reduce the waste? Of course, Lean helps to reduce the waste. In this course, we will be learning various tools that helps to eradicate the waste. Just to remind you that this lecture is just for the insight of what the course covers, so you do not have to memorize these Lean tools now. We will study about the following Lean tools that helps to eradicate the waste and defects. We will study about the 5S. 5S is a method designed to build quality work environment with 5 steps: sorting, strengthening, signing, standardizing, and sustaining. Similarly, we will study about the Lean tools 3M. The 3M stands for Muda or waste, Muri or overburden, and Mura or unevenness. These terms are widely used in the waste management in the Lean projects too. We'll also study about the SMED or the single minute exchange of dies, which is the process of reduction of the changeover steps in less than 10 minutes. This helps to reduce the unnecessary waste of time and manpower for the changeover. Similarly, we will study about the OEE or overall equipment effectiveness. OEE is the ratio of actual output of the equipment divided by the maximum output of the equipment under the best performance conditions. So, with OEE, we can determine whether our equipment or our process is running below or above the world-class average. Similarly, we will study about Haijanka. Haijanka is a system of purposely manufacturing in small batches so that by mixing product variants in the same process, we can generate the maximum outputs. Haijanka helps to eradicate the work overburden, which is one kind of waste in the manufacturing environment. Similarly, Lean also helps to reduce the waste by managing 6 big losses such as breakup, setup, small stops losses, reduction of the speed, startup rejects, and production rejects. Can Lean help for making a continuous improvement? And I would say yes for this one too. We will be learning this with various Lean tools. The first tool that we will be learning for making a continuous improvement is Kaizen. Kaizen is a Japanese term which means to change and put back together in a better way. Also, in the English definition, it is referred as continuous improvement. We'll also try to find out the root cause of the problem using the root cause analysis tools such as 5Y, fishbone or cause and effect diagram, net diagram, and Pareto charts, etc. We will be also learning about the KPIs or key performance indicators that are just the matrices designed to track and encourage progress towards critical goals of the organization. Similarly, we will also overview the process with a VSM or a value stream map, which is a visual map flow of the production, service, or business. It shows the current and future state of the processes in a way that opportunities for improvement are highlighted. Similarly, in this course, we will be also studying PDCA or Plan, Do, Check, and Act cycle. PDCA is used in continuous improvement opportunities in Kaizen projects and also for the generation of the A3 reports. An A3 report is a summary of PDCA improvement activities in a single sheet of A3 paper. It was first introduced by the Toyota production system and is still an important operational document. Similarly, we will study about making SMART goals, which are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, time-specific, or tangible goals. We will also study about the pull system. There are two types of system in the manufacturing process: push system and pull system. Push system is a traditional approach where we manufacture products according to the availability of the raw materials. But pull system is a lean concept in which production is based on the consumer demand rather than pushing the parts based on projected demand. Can lean help in organizational management? I would say yes to this one too. We will be studying various lean tools for organizational management. We'll study about unknown. Unknown is a visual feedback for indicating production status, and it alerts when we need assistance and empowers to stop production process. It simply draws immediate attention to the problem so that problem can be instantly assessed. Similarly, we will be learning about Kanban. Kanban is a method of regulating process and goods flow and uses cards, boards, and lists for automatic replenishment. We will also be studying about Jidoka. Jidoka is also called automation. Jidoka is used for increasing the productivity and efficiency through partial or full automation. Similarly, we will be also studying work standardization, which is the documented procedures for best practices in the manufacturing or production activity. We will be also studying about policy deployment, which is aligning the goals of the company or strategy with plans of the middle management or tactics, and the work performed on the plant floor, also called action. So in all, we will try to learn about various tools that helps to form a strong and a robust manufacturing company. We will use lean tools, which helps to eliminate waste and reduce the defects. Also, we will use the lean tools to improve the process, and lean tools to sustain and make continuous improvement with lean management. Keep in mind that lean manufacturing or lean management is a continuous improvement process.
Before ending this lecture, let me remind you to join my Lean University's premium membership and enjoy a total free access for limited time inside my Lean University's online library and get tons of free courses, free books, and lecture topics on project management, Lean and Six Sigma, operations and supply chain, productive and preventive maintenance, quality maintenance, data science, industry and sales management, Agile and Scrum, Kaizen or continuous improvement, and much more totally free. No strings attached. As we have limited seats, only the early subscribers will be given open access inside the premium membership, and remember, it's totally free. Please subscribe and share the video if you share the common belief that professional education should be accessible to all.